Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Our today video topic is small garden entertaining ideas. If you have a garden, front yard and backyard garden or balcony, these are the stunning and simple ways to revamp your balcony, your front yard or backyard gardens. If you want to enhance the beauty and style of your garden, so you can add these additional entertaining garden techniques. As you can see in this video, you can add wind chime, bubble fountain, a wall with full of colorful leaves, some cute vibrant chairs, grass stepping stones, herb garden, jar planters, patterned hanging planters, fence planters, hanging colanders, flower-filled planters, square-fit gardening, hammock, fairy garden, vertical planters, globe string lights, and many other designs as you can see in this video. I hope you like these creative small garden entertaining hacks or ideas. I hope you love and enjoy these designs and you can add these additional entertaining techniques in your balcony, your front yard garden, your backyard garden, and the place where you want to apply small garden entertaining ideas, because gardening is our passion. Thank you.